पल्लू become big icon.
How sweet. Really.
Thank you, Pallu.
Thanks, Polu.
Thank you, Pallu. Thank you.
Thank you, Ai Baba.
Thank you, Ai Baba. Thank you.
Thank you, Anarji, Dada Vaini. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Bauji, Tai,
Thank you,
Ritika,
Ruchi,
Ruchi.
Tai.
Thank you, Uncle Clifford.
Thank you, Auntie.
Auntie Sabrina. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hi, Taxi.
Hi, Sabi.
Abhi
Thank you, dear. Thank you, Sabi.
Thank you, Kishore Kumar. अरे आशा is not singing only. Brian Adam.
Thank you, Uncle Clarence, Auntie Betty. Thank you so
thank
much.
you so much. Thank you, Uncle, for lovely prayer.
Thank you so much, Uncle Clarence and Auntie
Thank
Betty,
you.
for your blessings. Thank you, Jewel.
Thank
Lovely.
you, Jewel. Thank you.
Hi, Carol.
Thank you, Carol. Thank you,
Auntie Joycey. Hi, hello. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Samiksha has become anything, I must say. Lovely, beautiful. Come here.
Adu with beard, I think.
Adu is with beard, I must say. Lovely, lovely.
Thank you, everybody.
Shelly is grown tall in 10 years.
Thank you to all of you.
Uncle Colin and family, thank you so much.
असले चुप राहून काढायचे भाऊ गपचूप काढायचे
किट्टू Stupid. Thank you, Kitu. Thank you, Nessie. Bye. Thank you. वो अंकल मैथ्यू.
सरदार खुश हुआ, शाबाशी भी दी. आजू
What all
बाजू
you'll make him? Battery low. What all you'll make him do, यार? What all you'll make him do?
सरदार खुश हुआ, शाबाशी भी
Power
दिया
bank, power
है.
bank. Power bank कर दो.
Where is
In your drawer.
Shot. Cockney. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you. Lovely voice, Glossy, as usual. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, both of you. Thank you, Alec, for trying to sing. And
Brian,
Glossy,
Brian.
lovely voice, as usual. Yeah.
Oh, Anju के.
Anju Pilla, the youngest child. Anju. Shakti. Thank you so much.
Thank you, all of you. Thank you,
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Palu.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Paul. Thank you, Simran. Yay. Thank you, guys.
Now you say.
Now, I don't know what to say, really. Actually, first of all, I would just put the video on Shailesh. I would like to say a big thank you to Sean, who has taken all the trouble and time to edit this video. Thank you so much for all this, and it was a really a pleasant surprise for us. We were just saying that this time it's not going to be that after being our 10th anniversary, it would not be so we couldn't enjoy it the way we had to enjoy our 10th anniversary in this lockdown period. But things turned out to be different, and this was a surprise from my in-laws, from my cousins, from my auntie, uncles, and it was really wonderful. Still missing the members are not who are not in our family. Yes, of course, my mom and dad, who I always miss in my good, in my bad times, in my happiness. in my sorrows. But yes, thank you so much for all the blessings you all showered on us. It means a lot to us. Meant a lot to us. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.
And you, uncle, auntie, the fulfiller, mom and dad. Good. Wishes and gap and all. You say thank you to Pallu.
Thank you so much. And we really loved all this. Thank you, Paulu. First of all, I would like to thank Paul. Looking at a video, I was so surprised. A little girl who of course, I did not give you birth, but I don't know. But I love you, my Paulu. Thank you so much. It was a lovely video. You were just like a child in my arms. But today, looking at you,
Only looking at you and my hand get pain.
giving this lovely blessings to us,
And
it
memorable.
really meant a lot. It was really memorable to us. Very nice. Love you, Palu, for this. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ai, Baba, Dada, Vaini, Aryan, Archie. Thank you so much. My niece and nephew, when we were married, Aryan and Archie were only in 3rd standard. They were just like kids who grew up in front of me. It was a really wonderful time going along with them. When I married, I shared everything with them. The good times that we shared together was amazing. Ai Baba, thank you very much for taking care of me. In absence of my parents, Ai has done a lot to me, which means a lot. Even Vaini and Dada taken care of me so much. My parents were not with me. I never felt like that. Thank you so much, Ai Baba. Thank you. Really, thanks a lot. Thank you. Love you all. Love you all. Thank you. Thank you, Dada, Vaini, everybody. Thank you, Tai, Ruchi, Ritika, and Bhauji. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Tai
Bobby. Thank you,
is
Tari.
always like an elder sister to me. Thank you for everything, Tai and Bhauji. Bhauji is silent but really very nice. I should say his nature is very nice. Tai also is very good. And Ritika and Ruchi, thank you so much. Thank you so much, dear. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
Bobby.
you,
Thank
Patil
you.
and family. Thank you, Uncle Clifford and
Auntie
Auntie
Sabrina.
Sabrina. Thank you so much for your love and blessings. We like them a lot. Thank you. It was a surprise to us to see you all on this video. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks, Thank you, Sabi. Thank you so much for
Thank you, Sabi.
calling up all the way from Dubai. And thank you for your time and your wishes. Thank you so much, dear. Love you. Thank you. Thank you, Uncle Clarence and Auntie Betty. Thank you so
Kishore
much
Kumar
for
and
your
Lata
prayers
Mangeshkar.
and your lovely song that you sung for us, your blessings, your wishes, and always keep us in your prayers. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
Thank you, Joel.
Thank you,
so
Joel.
much. Always keep us in your prayers. Love you. Thank you, Auntie Joycey, Carol, and Harry. Thank you so much. Thanks
For your
a lot
lovely blessings.
for your blessings. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Auntie Joycey. Thank
Yes.
you. Cheers. Uncle Colin and Auntie May, really, you all always come out with something really very rare. I like Samiksha. I always wanted to see a thin version of Sharon. Aka Samiksha, I must say. But yes, I liked it
That
so
we
much.
fulfill- not
And
fulfilling this.
Shailesh grew up tall in the 10 years of marriage. So thanks a lot for this lovely play and act. And yes, we'll always keep this in our memories. Lovely one. This was a very lovely act. Thank you so much. Thank you,
guys.
Ian. Thank you, Alistair.
Lisa.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. So,
So guys, you might be wondering what is this play about? And finally, they call it anything.
Kittu, hi. NSC, hi. Kittu, this is really very nice to listen to. I really cannot speak. The way you have said things is very different. You always come out with something different only. Whatever you say is so hilarious. And but really, your blessings and your wishes, Kittu and Nessie. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to both of you. Love you all.
Kittu, for a successful 10 years, you have to say, wife is always late and you can enjoy the life.
Yeah, keep trying
We
and
give results soon.
yeah, and give us the results soon. God bless you all. God bless you all. Love you all.
Best of luck.
Uncle Matthew, what have these people done to you? Poor thing, Uncle Matthew. Thank you so much for this energetic act. It was really very nice. Sean, Shala,
And Sardar
And
खुश हुआ
Matthew.
शाबाशी दिया.
thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. We really enjoyed this wishes of yours. It was really amazing. And Sean, thank you so much once again for all the trouble you have taken for this video. We loved it. Sean, you're really rocking. Thank you, Albert. Thank you, Blossom. Thank you so much, guys.
I will become Brian Adam, I think.
Thank you, dear.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you so much. Yeah, he's sleeping now. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you. अरे this is छोटा Abdu.
And Fila, really, you have turned Abdu. The eldest in the family has turned the youngest. Really, it's amazing to see you this way.
And how Shailesh got beard.
Sheen, well done, very nice.
Thank you, my lovely Sally.
Acted well. इकडे बघ गुड्डू.
Thank you, my lovely Sally.
असं इकडे ये ना.
बोला ना, आ रहा है ना.
Francis.
Shakti Bhatti. Shakti Bhakti Kirti.
Auntie Phila, thank you so much. Thank you.
In so many years of marriage, I who forgot her name.
Look at cheese. Literally throwing the pillow.
Thank you,
Thank you,
bye.
guys.
Thank you, Ansel.
Thank you, Ansel. Auntie Phila.
Thank you, my lovely Salim.
Thank you so much.
And Auntie Mira, thank you. Thank you, Simran teacher.
Thank you, Simran. Thank you,
And
Ponu.
thank you, Sheldon.
Thank you, Sheldon. Thank
Behind
you
the
so
camera.
much. Thank you so much for your wishes. And it meant a lot to me. Thank you so much, everybody.
Lot to us.
A lot to us, yeah, of course, lot to us. Thank you so much. I also want to thank, not forgetting Auntie Baby. I know somewhere or the other she's too looking at
Us and
us,
blessing
and
us.
her blessings are always with us. I'm her godchild, so of course, and her blessings will be with me always. She was such a loving lady. Love you, Auntie Baby. And nevertheless, my parents, who I always miss, thank you so much. I hope they're looking at us and their blessings are on us. Thank you, Mommy, Daddy.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, all of you.
For bringing me on this earth, and with all your wishes, and I don't know, I don't have words. Sorry, guys. I don't have words to say. But yes, thank you, Mama Dada. Love you all.
Thank you, thank you all.
Thank you.
एक आवाज आ रही है.
Thank you, Sheldon.
Thank you, Sheldon. Thank you, Simran.
And Palu. A special thanks to Sheldon and Simran. Without y'all, it was very difficult to convince Dada when he was there for this wedding. But Sheldon did it all. Sheldon and Simran, though Mummy Dada were not there, they managed everything so beautifully and so gracefully. I really love this a lot. Whatever you all have done for me, I will never forget. It was really difficult. I know, with Paulu being such a small baby with us, and to manage everything, the shopping, the arrangements to be done. And Dada was not keeping well those days, but still you all managed everything very nicely. So thank you so much. It is Sheldon who made Dada understand for this day that we have completed 10 years of our marriage. It is really very good. Thank you so much, Sheldon. Thank you so much, Simran. Simran being my sister-in-law, she has taken a lot of trouble for managing everything, the house, the marriage, Palu and Dada too, everything to be managed, everything, the cooking and everything. Thank you so much, guys, and thank you, my darling Paul. Love you all. Love you all.
Thank
Love
you,
you all.
Simran and Sheldon. You are with us in our ups and downs. Thank you very much for your all of wishes and your help and all. And be with us till the
Always.
always.
Love you all.
Love you.
Thank you.